Hi guys, we're on our way magpa-car wash. Sana hindi umulan. So it's a nice sunny day today. Medyo naging busy tayo after the New Year. So we have so yung tatlong kotse namin ng mag-asawa. So has been neglected. So ang dumi-dumi this especially the CRV, ang likabok, ang dumi. The inside, hindi masyadong nagamit din kasi kaya hindi masyadong madumi dito sa loob. But I decided since magka-car wash na rin ako, there's actually a few car washes that we go to personally. So gagawin ko, since I'm planning to take all 3 cars to a car wash. Evaluate these 3 car washes that I actually go to. So the first one is here in, I think this is Barangka, Makati, the one right across Rockwell. So this is our go-to na car wash. Even my wife likes to go here. Kasi before, when we used to go to San Juan to bring my kids to school, ito na yung parang nakasanayan naming car wash. So let's see, and let's evaluate them for price, how well they do it, and how fast they actually do it. So, yun lang naman yung criteria natin eh. Hindi naman tayo masyado maselan. And we're going for the very basic, the basic car wash with vacuum lang. Walang wax, walang ano. So, let's see which one does it best and kung sino yung pinakasulit. Hindi ko alam kung ano pangalan itong car wash na to. Star Car Wash ba? Kasi may star. Medyo puno, so pila lang tayo. Pero marami naman tao. So kutob ko mabilis lang to. Done with Star Car Wash. Well, if there's anything, I was in and out of the place in 20 minutes. Kasi what happened was, marami silang staff. So, for the car wash, mga 4 or 5 people yata ang naglilinis nitong car. So, pagpasok mo, hindi ka pa nga bumababa sa kotse, sinisprayan na nila ng tubig. Tapos tuloy-tuloy na ang pokpok. But it's acceptable clean. Pero makikita mo yung mga maliit na sulok-sulok, hindi talaga nila nilinis eh. See parts of the wheel, may konting dumi pa. Yung sa loob ng fender, hindi talaga nilinis. Let's see. The inside, well, they vacuum the floor, they wipe the matting, pero yung side panels hindi nila pinunasan. And one thing I didn't like is they sprayed some fragrance inside. So may amoy na hindi ko gusto. What do you expect for something is that's 180 pesos in and out in 20 minutes. So you get fast, cheap, but so clean. So I guess ganun din yan eh with anything you're buying eh. If there's 3 criterias in the things that you want, you only get to choose 2. So either you want it cheap You want it fast, you want it good. So, alin doon? Pili ka lang ng dalawa. I don't think makakuha ka ng tatlo. So, we're now taking the second car to the second car wash. This one is, I forgot the street. It's the one, the street parallel to Buendia when you cross the railroad track. So, doon lang to sa area ng cash and carry area. So, yung CRV isa pa pala, it could have been faster. Yung 20 minutes, alam mo, it could have been faster kasi 15 minutes lang tapos na actually sila eh. Ang problema sa style kasi nila sa parking nila, hindi siya individual bay eh. Parang palagi dalawa kayo kasi apat lang kasya na kotse. So, may nasa harap, may nasa likod. Tapos sabay nila titirahin yung dalawang kotse. So if your car is in front, tapos ka na, pero yung sa likod hindi pa tapos, bigla silang magsa-stop right before lang matapos yung kotse mo. Then everyone moves to the car at the back para matapos yung nasa likod. Tapos saka babalikan yung kotse mo para sabay kayo matapos. So if ako yung nasa likod na kotse, hindi ako yung nasa harap, 5 minutes, baka may 5 minutes na mas mabilis pa. So, imbis na 20 minutes yung car wash, which is actually mabilis na, 15 minutes lang actually tapos na eh. So, yun rin isa sa... Di mo masabi ko if it's a drawback kasi in the end, 20 minutes is still pretty fast for a car wash eh. So, let's see naman itong next. Kung gaano kabilis sila magka-car wash o gaano katagal sila mag-car wash and how well they actually are going to do it. Okay, we're trying for the first time Uberwork Auto Salon here in Yacal. Kasi yung pinapa-carwashan ko palagi dito sa Yacal is maybe mga going that way, mga 2 to 3, mga 1 to 2 blocks away yung Denjo Car Wash. Problema pagdaan ko, may pila sa labas, tapos doon sa loob punong-puno, tapos hindi lahat ng bay naka-on for car wash. Parang naging garahe na siya yung ibang part, so parang matatagalan. So nung pauwi na ako, nadaanan ko to, this is right across SM Hypermart here. May bakante ka agad, yun lang nga, mas konti yung tao. Pero pagkatapos nung ginagawa daw na Fortuner beside me, ako na daw next. So, their list of services and price list is here. So, let's look. So, deluxe car wash. Small, 220, medium, 250, large, 300, extra large, 350. Now, what I don't know is if this is a medium or a large. So, we'll see after. Pag nag-car wash na, kung magkano charge nila. Well, compared to the other car wash, this is a full detail na car wash. Meron silang detailing rin. Well, mukhang may customer lounge dun sa taas. Pero hindi naman ganun kainit dito, so I'll just stay out here. So yun na, we just came back from Uberworks. So, mas matagal ng konti to compare dun sa paglinis ng CRV. Remember the CRV, like I mentioned, parang 15 minutes lang pero inabot din tayo ng 20 minutes dahil medyo iniipit tayo ng kotse sa likod. This one, on the other hand, took them around a little bit over 30 minutes, which is surprisingly mabilis pa rin kasi dalawa sila gumagawa dito sa car. I would rate the cleaning a little bit better doon sa Star. But still not the perfect one. May konting-konti pa rin natitirang mga dumi sa gulong so hindi nila na-brush mabuti. Pero yung inside, they actually cleaned it better. Yung mga door seals, mas malinis. Pero hindi rin nila pinunasan yung side panel. Pinunasan lang nila yung parang mga water dun sa edge ng seals. But alam ko, napansin ko, binuksan nila yung trunk kanina at they actually vacuum everything here at the back, which hindi nila ginawa doon sa CRV, doon sa kabilang car wash. Tapos ito, makikita mo, yung edges dito malinis. Sa CRV, hindi nila ginawa yun doon sa kabila. Now, when it comes to the price, they actually sized this as a medium, not as a large. So, ang price nila was $250. So, mas mahal dito compared doon kay Star Car Wash na $170. So, 80 pesos more is this worth 80 pesos more in terms of linis? Okay, so next natin is the Terra. Hi guys, so we brought our Terra here for a car wash in Rose and Mid's Car Wash. This is along, what's the street name? Sapote. This is convenient sa amin kasi like my wife was a lot of work in circuit. Ito yung madadaanan namin na kalsada pa uwi. So this is, just behind this is Shopwise and the Savannah. Parang shopping center or something. Pero ang gusto ko doon is they have a nice chicken inasal place that was introduced to me over 10-15 years ago. So habang nagka-car wash ito, doon muna tayo kakain. So we're on our way back to the car wash. This is where, dyan sa corner, where has that Savannah sign, that's where Chicken Bacolod Express is. Yun yung maganda dito sa car wash na to. Habang naghihintay ka, lakad ka lang ng konti, ayan, dyan naman sa kanto yung car wash. So yung why I like Chicken Bacolod Express, unlike kasi yung mga ibang chicken inasal, iba kasi natatamisan ako palagi. Ito parang asin lang yata . Of course, they may marinate yon, pero parang asin lang pinapatong nila and then they grill it. So yung lasang manok talaga. Some have made it na they put so sweet na marinade, parang ginawa nilang chicken barbecue. Hindi na lasang inasal . Yung tulad ng mang inasal, ang tamis na. This one is talagang, you taste just the chicken. Kaya mas gusto ko talaga yung lasa niya. So we're here. Ito na yung car wash right here. So I think sana tapos na. Okay, so we're finally home. So 3 cars, 3 car wash, and the best chicken inasal. Okay, so Rose and Mid Car Wash. I forgot to tell them I don't like tire block on the SUV. Yung doon sa Lexus, doon sa CRV, okay lang naka-tire block. But for these big tires, I don't like naka-tire block. Mas gusto ko siyang matte lang. Ayoko nang makintab. Buti na lang, parang hindi ganun kakintab yung tire block nila. But overall, yung paglinis naman nila mukhang okay naman. Usually dito makikita mo yung sa mga ilalim ng bumper ko na linisan. Manalinisan naman. Pero what's this? No, nothing. The wheels, same as the others. May konting naiiwan na area. Mukhang minadali lang, hindi talaga binrush. But I think wala na tayo magagawa yung mga ganyang mga basic car wash. They're not really too much on the detail. But the good thing about this Rose and Mid is they actually charge us only 200 pesos for the Terra, which is considered as a large vehicle. So kung doon natin sa Uber Works pinagawa, that's 300 pesos. Dito, 200. I'm not sure doon sa Star kung magiging magkano, baka 250. Kasi 180 yung small nila. So if there's anything good about Rose and Mid, mura yung car wash niya. Mabilis din I left the car, had a quick lunch. So overall, I think mga 25 minutes lang for them to do the whole car wash. Vacuum was good. It was pretty clean. So I think itong mga car wash na to, these are about the same. Yung tatlong car wash na pinuntahan natin, they're all about the same in terms of how well they actually do the basic wash. So kung ako, I'll go for the fastest one and the cheapest one. So either I go to Rose and Mid or I go to Star. Yung Uber Works, if I'm going to pay premium, hindi rin siya ganun kabilis. And it's not really that much better, yung price. For the price, it's not much better than the more affordable and the faster ones. Doon ako sa mas mura. Mas makakatipid pa ako. And especially with Rose and Mid because you get to dine in at a really nice Chicken Bacolod Express. It's not Chicken Bacolod House, iba yun. It's Chicken Bacolod Express. Na alam ko ito lang yata ang branch nila, yung sa Savannah. Food is actually pretty cheap. I wouldn't say cheap, but I think the price is actually pretty good. Wala silang pecho, so I had to buy paa. Paa was 130. Size is average, not too small, not too big. I ordered baticolon. I think baticolon was 45 pesos. One plain rice and then one mineral water. So I paid 220 pesos for a good lunch. And then they give you plastic gloves, not a spoon and fork. So you really experience eating with your hands. I love eating with my hands. So guys, thank you for watching again. So if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. Bye.